G'day, welcome to the Boomerang channel. I'm just going to chuck a bunch of boomerangs all at the same time under the same conditions here in Paramount country. The traditional owners are the Paramount people. This is Bradwood Park, South Australia. Odd wind conditions. It's sort of gusting up, sometimes it's still, sometimes it's less than half a metre a second. I'll just throw one of my own little rippers to start with. It's the Diath one that I make. Got about 20 metres to my left. This is the Mantis from, what are they called? Round Trip Boomerangs, sent to me by Greg Snoofer. Thank you. That's circled around. That's done a, what I call a number 9 circuit. It's gone about 15 metres short. This is made by Paul Bryden from Sydney. I don't know what model he calls this. And I've thrown that too hard, I've got way too much lift. It's landed just 2 metres from the camera. But you can see it rose up fairly high. Here's the Spirit of Earth from what are they called? Channel Craft Boomerangs from the US. It's a heavier boomerang, bigger span, so it needs more of a throw and gets more of a distance. And that's wound up 20-25 metres to my left and come short, as you'd expect for a heavy boomerang. This is my benchmark boomerang, one I use to compare all other boomerangs to. And that's landed short, didn't complete its circuit, but it's gone about 11-12 metres short. This is one I just got today, called the Aussie Booma, and it's made by Wicked. The Aussie Booma, proudly British made. Don't know how they work that out. They steal everything off us. Even when we were in the cricket, they give us a tiny little urn. I don't get it. Jesus. Yeah, that's done that had a lot of lift. That went around and did an S shape on the return, very much like a 3-blader would. Okay, this one's the Tri Fly Boomerang. Greg Snoofer sent me this one as well. I hope I'm saying Greg Snoofer right. Apologies if I'm not. This is the Tri Fly 3-blader plastic boomerang. Pretty basic. This is this goes by a lot of names. But rangs.co.uk is on the back of it. It's a sports boomerang. It says many happy returns on it. You find various different brands using this same mould, probably made in China, I don't know. But yes, under patent, don't know why. And that's gone about 15 metres to my left, hasn't done a full circuit. This is the Aerobie Orbiter. It's a tunable boomerang, so you can adjust it and it should hold its shape if you bend the tips around. You know, slightly different sort of approach. And you need a bit of wind to bring that back to you. This is the Throwback by Round Trip Boomerangs again. Nice little boomerang, about 30 centimetres across. And it's done second circle, coming around a second circuit. I call that a number 9 circuit. It's shaped like a letter number 9. If I'm at the start of it, goes out and around and comes in a bit shorter, hooks around. This is by Wallaby Boomerangs from the US. It says it's a US .US on there. So short range, 45 feet, 15 metre, 3-blader Wallaby Boomerangs. Okay, I think I threw that a little bit hard for that particular boomerang. Okay, so that's those boomerangs with pretty similar throws, except for the that big Spirit of Earth one that I threw a bit harder. Obviously, you'd adjust your throw depending on what wind you're in, what boomerang you're using. So you can get better results than that. But I just thought I'd throw a few of them side by side just so you could see pretty much what does what. Cheers.